Hello students, welcome to the basic mathematics series. Having a strong command over basic mathematics is prerequisite for getting a desired success in IIT Advanced, JEE Main or other engineering entrance examination. First in this series, we'll talk about algebraic identities. So first in this list is a square minus b square is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So for example, suppose you want to multiply 31 into 29. So very easily you can write 31 minus 1, that is 29, and 30 plus 1, that is 31, is equal to 30 square minus 1 square. So that is 899. So easy to calculate, no? So now come to the second in list. This is also very popular, that is a square plus ab plus ac plus bc is equal to a plus b and a plus c. So many places this is used. Suppose you put a is equal to 1, then 1 plus b plus c plus bc is equal to 1 plus a, 1 plus b and 1 plus c. Now third is a square a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now add both. So a plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square is equal to 2a square plus b square, and subtract a minus b square from a plus b the whole square. So that will be 4ab. Suppose you are having, let us do one question, having a plus b is equal to 5 and a into b is equal to 6. So you have to find a and b. So how you will find out? So you will have to find a minus b. Then you use this formula. Then a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square is equal to 4ab. A plus b the whole square is 25 minus a minus b the whole square is 4 into 6 24. So a minus b the whole square is 1. So a minus b is equal to plus minus 1. Now use this one both simultaneous equation, 5 and a minus b is equal to 1. Then 2a is equal to 6 and a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. Now use this one, a plus b is equal to 5, a plus, suppose a plus b is equal to 5 and a minus b is equal to minus 1. Then you calculate, a will be 2 and b will be 3. So this way you can utilize. So actually you are given, you will be given either a square plus b square, ab and a plus b or a minus b, either of two. So either this one will be given or this one will be given, or this one will be given, this one will be given. Either of two will be given. You can find out a and b very easily by using this formula. Now come to the fourth. Fourth is a plus b the whole cube is equal to aq plus 3ab plus b and plus bq. Now put minus b in place of b. Then a minus b the whole cube is equal to aq minus 3ab plus a minus b minus bq. This formula is also very important. Now come to the fifth formula. Fifth formula is aq minus bq is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and aq plus bq is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now come to the sixth. Sixth is x square plus y square x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus xz minus yz. So this give very interesting result. Suppose x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So let us do one question on this. Suppose x is equal to 9, y is equal to minus 15, y is equal to minus 15, and z is equal to 6, then x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So you have to find x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So you know this is 3 into x into y into z. So this will be 9 into minus 3 into 9 into minus 15 minus 6. So 9 3 is 27, 15 6 is minus 90. So this will be 3 9 2 is 18, 18 or 6 24, 24 30 minus. So this formula can be used in such type of questions. Here this one also valid, that is x square, if x square plus y square plus z square is equal to xz plus yz plus xy, then again x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3 into x into y into z. Why this formula? This formula, if this is equal to 0, then 4 will be 0, then 3xy will come in this side, and x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So this is very useful, and many places it is used. Now come to the another very interesting facts, that is suppose a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus ac minus bc is equal to half into 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ac minus 2bc ab minus 2bc, then half a plus b, a minus b the whole square plus b minus c the whole square plus c minus a the whole square. So this one will be either 0 or positive. This one also 0 or positive, 0 or positive, 0 or positive, 0 or positive. So this expression can be 0 only when this one is 0, this one is 0, and this one is 0. So if a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus ac minus bc is given is equal to 0 is given, then you can say easily a is equal to b is equal to c. So from one equation, you can say that a is equal to b is equal to c. So this is the first in series, and we'll come back in next. Thank you for that. Thank you for the time being.